Hi, Carla Zeitlin here with Core Personal Trainer in Santa Monica, California. And this here is my son, Khaelan.
Hi.
So Khaelan and I have put together a full body workout for you, and all you need are a pair of socks.
Cat socks.
Okay, so while we're all on lockdown and we need to stay home, stay safe, and shelter down, I want you guys to grab a family member and come and do this with us. All right?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh, I love it, Khaelan. Woo! That was awesome. Gotta keep your core really tight on this one so you don't slide all over the place. Right?
Yes. Three, two, one.
Hi, Carla Zeitlin here with Hi. No, I'll go right into it.
Hi, Carla Zeitlin here with Core Personal
Thank you
Trainer.
very much. You're not Carla Zeitlin, I am. No, what do they call them? Bloopers. Blooper!
I mean, yeah.
You can do it.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Make it smoother.
Go.
Start with left leg going back first.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I slipped.
I know, sorry.
Okay, let's try again.
3,
You have to really keep your core tight.
3.